In this video, you will learn how to change the battery in your monitored image sensor. You might need a step stool or ladder to reach the image sensor and a flathead screwdriver. Please note, depending on the model, it may look different than the one used for demonstration in this video. Before getting started, first go to customercare.guardianprotection.com and log into your account. Select System Info on the left-hand side, and then select Test My System. Locate the image sensor that has the low battery. To release the image sensor from the mounting bracket, hold the back section of the image sensor in one hand and using your other hand, gently slide the front section up. Please note, there is no need to remove the mounting bracket from the wall. Once the image sensor is released, turn the device over and carefully remove the existing batteries with your flathead screwdriver. Insert the new batteries, paying attention to polarity. Once the batteries are installed, line up the bottom of the image sensor along the top of the mounting bracket and slide the image sensor back onto the mounting bracket. Clear the tamper alert from the keypad and test your image sensor to ensure it is working properly. To test your image sensor, arm your system, trigger an alarm at the image sensor, and allow the system to sound for at least 30 to 45 seconds before disarming the system. Confirm the signal was received before having your system removed from test mode. For assistance, please call Guardian's Customer Service Department at 1-800-PROTECT or go to customercare.guardianprotection.com.